What if a neutron star hits the Earth? Neutron star is formed when a big star dies. Neutron stars are the densest stars in universe. Their radius is roughly 10 to 20 kilometers. But still they are more massive than our Sun. So, what will happen if a neutron star hits the Earth? A neutron star is so hot that their surface temperature is roughly 6 million Kelvin. Even our Sun's surface temperature is 5,778 Kelvin. As neutron star arrives, Earth's temperature will increase, due to which oceans will evaporate. As it gets closer, most of the life on Earth will burn, and our planet will start melting. Finally, neutron star will swallow the Earth.